everyone, take a section from the top on one of the sides and then braid it. At the back, make 2 divisions and then using the braided portion of the hair, add it as a section in the bottom braid as well and make a normal braid. Roll the braid up, add 4 rubber bands as such. Next, take a section from the top and then roll the hair in on itself after tying a ponytail. Now, take another section right underneath it and then tie a ponytail with it as well. Once again, roll in the hair in itself. At the bottom, add all of it together and make a braid. Roll it to the top and add a decorative clip. Take a section from the top, add a rubber band to it and right underneath it, add 2 more rubber bands. Make this in sections and then braid the side portion of the hair. Make another braid at the back. Take a section from the top and then make 2 braids out of this section. Take one of the sides and using one of the braids, make another braid out of it. Join this to the bottom and make yet another braid. Section out the front of the hair, make a braid out of the front. Now take a section from the back at the top and make another braid out of it. Tie a ponytail at the bottom. Wrap the hair into a bun. Take a section of the hair, leave it at the front, make 2 sections out of this, join it together as one and roll it in on itself. Join it to the back ponytail, make a braid out of it and then add a decorative clip. Take a section from the front and then make 3 divisions out of it and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Roll the braid in on itself by leaving a section unbraided. Divide the hair into 4 sections, make an arrowhead-like shape at the top. Tie ponytails in all of them and then roll the hair in on itself. Make 2 divisions at the top and then braid the hair. Loosen the sides using your fingers as such. Join it to the bottom in a heart shape as such. Tie a ponytail on the side, divide it into 2 portions and then, starting from the middle, start to make a braid. Roll it up slightly and then add a rubber band. Add a decorative clip. Divide the hair into 4 sections. Taking the top right section and the bottom left section, make a braid out of it. Do the same with the alternate sections again. Next, start off by tying a ponytail at the back. Then take a hair stick that is a bun stick, roll it up and adjust the hair accordingly. Add some clips to the bottom for the extra hair. Make a braid from the side as such, taking multiple sections. Make a division at the bottom, make a braid out of it, and then taking the middle portion of it, includes the braids that you have made in the front. Use it as a section, make another braid, roll it upwards. Tie a rubber band to it and then add a decorative clip. Tie a ponytail at the side, roll the hair in on itself as such. Divide the hair into 2 sections, make 2 braids out of it, join it in a heart shape. At the bottom, roll the hair in on itself and then lift it up, tie the rubber band, add some clips. Take the front section of the hair and then make multiple divisions out of it. Add multiple rubber bands and clips. Divide the hair into 2 sections at the top, make 2 braids. Add a hairband at the top and then take 2 sections of the hair from the front, wrap it around it, tie it around and then roll the hair in on itself. Now take the bottom portion of the hair, use the ribbon as a section, make another braid out of it. Divide the hair into 4 sections, taking the upper ponytail, roll it in on itself. Then add some hair gel, join both the top sections at the back as such, roll it upwards. Make 2 braids out of it and then make it come a full circle. Make 2 braids at the bottom and lift it up. Take a section of the hair from the front and then make a ponytail at the bottom. Taking the upper section, begin to braid it. Braid it backwards as such. Loosen it slightly using your fingers. Pull the ponytail through the braid. Add a decorative rubber band. Take a section at the front and then roll it upwards in on itself. Make 2 divisions, twist it. Thank you for watching.